Maine Mendoza update and OOTD ni Maine and during Unilab 80 anniversary kick-off at may picture din si Maine kay Charo Santos at Dingdong Dantes diyan sa backstage, yun know.
Mendoza.
Yan, tinawag nga ni Kuya Robby si Maine.
Hi, Maine. You want to say hi to everyone first?
Kaya pala wala si Bulaga si Maine.
Grabe nakakatuwa naman makasabi sa milestone ng Unilab na daw. Happy 80th anniversary, Unilab!
Grabe pinag-uusapan lang natin kanina.
Yan sa post ni Jella and during birthday ni Daddy Art. Kasama ang family attire. Yan o. Sa outfit check ni May. And during Sugod Campus. Daming tao dyan. Sugod pa ni May. Kaya kasama yung mga dabber gods. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with Shorty Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.